Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can use Google Calendar offline. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So, using the calendar offline is very helpful because when you don't have the internet and you need some kind of reminders, you need to be able to access it offline. And to be able to do that, you need to go to Settings, click on Settings, and then scroll down until you find Turn on Offline Calendar. This option should be on the last page. So when you click this, the offline calendar will have the latest changes that you made. So when you go back to the offline calendar, you can only see the calendar, but you cannot make any changes or edits because you can only make the change when you have the internet. So the offline version requires you to reload when you turn it on. So when there is no internet, you cannot make any edit, but you still can see the calendar. And that is how you can use Google Calendar offline. Thank you.